Today we are pouring resin to make a resin kit. This is how you pour the resin. That is one part of the resin mixture. You want to be very careful and make sure that you are pouring equal parts of the resin. If you are not careful in pouring the resin might not cure. This is the dye that goes into the resin. You need very little dye to dye the resin. These are stirring sticks we are going to use to stir the resin. Half of the resin is stirred. I will now add the second half of the resin. You want to be sure to stir the resin thoroughly, but do not take too long stirring the resin. From here we will pour the resin into the resin mold. You want to be sure to tap the resin mold. It is very similar to burping a baby. We will also rotate the mold to make sure that it gets into every nook and cranny of the mold.
Oh, Kirk, why are you talking like that, man?
What do you mean, Vaughn? This is how I always talk.
Sound like a robot, man.
A robot? No, I am a human. I am a human being.
I know you're a goddamn human, but you're freaking everyone out, man. What's wrong with you, man?
I don't know what you mean. You told me to narrate the process of pouring the resin into the molds. And that is what I'm doing.
It's very late tonight. King Kirk is running out of human juices.
What do you mean human juices? Is that something you consume?
Yeah, man. Mix it up with some coconut juice, rum, drink it up. Delicious.
Yes, that sounds delicious. I would like to try this human juice you are talking about.
Alright, Kirk. You're scaring me, man. I'm gonna step away.
Is there something wrong, Vaughn? You have a very worried look on your face.
Maybe it's the fumes, man. Look at this shitty liquor fan we have over here. Not even pointing out the window, man. It's pointing at the bucket. What's Kirk doing now?
Now I am sealing up the lid of the pressure pot. These are the largest wing nuts I have ever seen before in my life.
Yeah, man. Giant wing nut. Cartoon wing nut. Mickey Mouse wing nut. Look at this. Mickey Mouse.
Now we will turn the compressor on.
Kirk, I don't know if we can trust your Mickey Mouse pressure pot, man. It's dangerous. 80 psi, what is that? Bambi psi? This is Bambi pot. We're gonna die, Kirk.
According to my calculations, this is the best pressure pot the money can buy. The only one on the market rated 80 psi for casting things.
Alright then. Me trust in you tonight. Me life. I'm gonna wait till this rising up 80 psi. Allegedly 80 psi. And then we lock it off and wait a while. Bye.
Goodbye.